So this is the last part that I want to show you when it comes to product research before we start to list products, before I start to do my own product research and put my money where my mouth is. So this is a TikTok analytics feature on AutoDS. This is another way to find trending product videos, and from those product videos, you can get good ideas of what products are selling well and if you should list them on Amazon as well. So this is the TikTok analytics. I've got filters over here as well, like is the product even available? Is it discontinued? How many units did it sell? What is the total GMV? How many sales in the last 7 days? If you're not sure, leave these things empty, start broad and slowly narrow down as you go along. But basically, this will just give you more ideas on products that you can sell. Let me just do a couple of filters. So let's say I want to go with sports and fitness and sales in the last 7 days. I want to go with, I don't want to go with anything that's too well established. So let's go anywhere below, let's say 500. And I've got a whole bunch of products right here. Let's look for those that are more fit for the dropshipping niche. And if you're not sure about that yet, then use the conventional methods that I talked about up until now, especially the marketplace, handpicked products, and trending products. So this 3-in-1 wireless charger, I know that this is a dropshippable product. So let me just click on that and see what we have here. Okay, so that took me to this product page here on AutoDS. I can see how many times this product sold in the US, its total rank in the sports and fitness category, the virality index, the popularity score, total units sold, total GMV, affiliates, and how many shoppable videos this product has. So you can already see that it's pretty darn popular. And there's a whole bunch of wireless chargers that are similar to this one. So you can find other ones, different colors, different features, but all around the same concept. So again, we're going to jump into all these things soon. Right now, I'm just kind of showing you the face of everything. So this is another place to get really nice trending product ideas to list on Amazon. As you scroll down, you can see more videos that are related to this product right here. And of course, its total score, so how many engagements and likes and all of that. And once again, use this as another method of finding winning products to sell on Amazon. So this is my #1 recommendation. There's a reason why this is an all-in-one dropshipping tool, and it does a whole bunch of things for you, not just product research. But even only on product research, it's going to save you months of time, lots of trial and error, and we all know that time is money. So take your shortcuts, use the AutoDS marketplace to find trending winning products to sell on your Amazon store. Now, before I show you how to add these products to your store, how to do the rest of the validation, let's go through the rest of the product research methods, and then I'm going to do my own product research and list the products.